Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine and in a good health. As you know that in this pandemic we are working online, and today this is your first class for your new session of class 5. In this class I will share the book intro with you, that is from Afaq Sun series, New Primary Education English for class 5. Hopefully all of you have your books. The page you can see on your screen, it is from your book, and I am marking the subtopics of this book. In this book you have these 6 subtopics in each lesson, and in these topics you will learn about different things like listening and speaking focus, comprehension focus, phonics focus, vocabulary focus, grammar focus. These 3 parts, phonics, vocabulary and grammar, will cover at least 2 topics. Writing focus is there as well, in which you will do creative writing. Phonics, vocabulary and grammar will cover at least 2 topics. More than 2 topics will be there as well, but at least 2 must be there. Now that how the books looks from inside. So the very first thing is, in each lesson or in each unit you will get objectives above the each text. Objectives will be mentioned, that what will you learn in this unit. After that the whole passage is there, like the different paragraphs will be there. Objectives will tell you that grammar, vocabulary, phonics, this text, all these topics, what all these topics will teach you. You will learn that, or you will come to know about that in your objectives. Then you have your first topic, which is listening and speaking focus, and after that comprehension focus. In comprehension focus you will have your questions. The best thing is that read me corner. Read me corner will provide you information about any new thing which is there in the topic. That read me corner will be there in front of each topic, where it's necessary to tell you that what is a new thing. Phonics focus you will learn after comprehension, and then you will have vocabulary focus. As I told you that one topic is of words meaning in vocabulary focus, and one more topic will be there. As I said that 2 topics will be there, so 2 topics will be there. Grammar focus. In grammar focus you will have 2 topics, more than 2 topics can be also there. Okay, 2 topics are must, more than 2 can also be possible. Now grammar focus is done. Next is writing focus, which is your last topic. But as you can see that red line, so writing focus so है हमारे पास, लेकिन यहाँ पर as you can see this red line, that is teaching points, that's not for you, that is for your teachers. Okay, so in writing focus we'll learn about the creating writing and like paragraph writing and all of these things. Okay, so this is the whole introduction of the book. Now this is an index page which is there in your book. In this, as you can see that in multicolors you have different columns. First column is for units, different units are there. Page number, listening and speaking focus, comprehension focus, then phonics focus, then vocabulary focus, grammar focus and writing focus. As I am pointing out the topics, that which kind of topics you will learn. Okay, so you can see that as I told you 2 topics will be there, so each unit is covering at least 2 topics. And in this yellow part, like in unit 5, you can see that there are 3 topics in grammar. Okay, so after phonics we have vocabulary focus, then we have grammar focus and writing focus. These same series we will cover in our copy as well. Like we will work in copy, that like first we will do comprehension focus, then phonics focus, then vocabulary focus, then grammar focus and then writing focus. This sequence we will cover in our copy as well. Okay, listening and speaking and reading, that will be only, that we will do only in book, we will not do that in our copy. In vocabulary focus you will have the words meaning and 1 or more topic, maybe 1 or 2 more topics with that. With words meaning 1 or more 2 2 more topics will be there. Okay, so this is the index page. You can check it out in your book. With each unit you will have the topics mentioned in front of each unit. Okay, so first unit is all things bright and beautiful. In that you have your phonics focus, and the topic is hard and soft sounds of the letters C and G. In phonics focus, after that you have vocabulary focus. In vocabulary focus you have words meaning and rhyming words. In grammar of unit 1 you have countable and uncountable nouns and sentence structure. Like 2 topics are there, as I told you, and 1 topic is of writing focus, which is write multi-syllable words. Okay, so this is your complete 1 unit with reading, word meaning and question answer. In second unit of elephants, as you can see that it is on page number 7, and in phonics you have silent letters. Okay, along with these silent letters, in vocabulary you have same thing like word meaning, and with that naming, action and describing words. After that, in grammar you have singular and plural nouns, gender nouns and sentence structure. Like 3 topics are there. And writing focus is about write a factual recount. This is your writing. So writing is basically only one writing. Next is grandpa's lesson. In grandpa's lesson, in phonics you have long and short vowels with diphthongs, and along with word meaning you have cognates, common and proper nouns, and with clauses. Write a story using the elements of story writing. So story writing is there in unit 3. Okay, so I am clarifying you each and everything along with the marking of the topics as well, that we are covering 2 to 3 topics in each unit. Next we have unit number 4, the flying lady. In that we have minimal pairs. In phonics, prefixes and suffixes in vocabulary, simple present tense and personal pronouns in grammar focus. Organize ideas for writing. Write a short biography. So biography writing will be there. So basically I just want to tell you that how the topics are mentioned in your book, because we will cover the same sequence in copy. So it's essential to tell you about the topics as well, that how the topics are in book as given, how the topics are given in book. So revision is there in unit 5. So what is this revision? Till this I want to explain that revision is basically about the previous 4 topics of phonics. Okay, in vocabulary you have anagrams, then you have possessive pronouns, subject verb agreement, clauses and phrases. These 3 topics will be there in grammar. And in writing you have a paragraph writing. Next is unit 6, which is trying is better than crying, and in this you have 3 consonant letters in initial and final positions. Maybe there are things which you have never heard before. After that you have making nouns from verbs, and then noun pronoun agreement and simple past tense in grammar. In writing you have write a short paragraph using question words and keywords to write short answers, writing an essay. So I will just explain you till unit 6. You can check it out yourself in your books. So this is the whole part of index which you will also follow in your copy as well. I am marking out the units which I have explained to you. Hopefully that the whole content is clear. You can go through it once yourself and check that which topic you will cover in your syllabus. This was the whole intro. Hopefully you have enjoyed this introduction of your new book. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.